Today we're going to start working on this poppy Godsigma. It's highly corroded. I don't know if you can see that good or not. It took me forever to get this thing apart because all the screws were rusted. So I'm going to have to buy new screws too. I got 2 screws left, one right there, and one in the back of this head. If you change one, you might as well change them all. But what I'm thinking I'm going to do is sandblast this with some walnut, well, not sandblast, but blast it with walnut shell. That way it doesn't etch the die cast, and repaint it because this corrosion is pretty bad. Fill whatever needs to be filling. We'll get the body in shape, and then we'll work on some of these pieces. Like, I mean, it's covered in rust. This thing was not taken very good care of back in the day. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to have to figure out how to dechrome it so I can rechrome it. Like, it's weird, the chrome's turning green. I think it's because it's chrome attaches the copper, and the first layer to chroming is copper, so, or nickel, something like that. Well, it corrodes green. I got some tabs. The yellow part here should have a tab right there where this like rides on to create the stiffness of the arm. It snapped off, so I'm going to have to make something up for that. Happened to both of them. And on the leg joints, this should be it should be this part right here that holds the leg into the socket. And on this one, it's cracked. I can fix that, that's not an issue. I'm not worried about that. And on one of the foot bases, the little areas you screw the foot onto the leg is broken off on both sides. This one's good. It's got tons of rust stains on it. But the goal with this build is to just recondition it, you know, make it a showable piece. It doesn't need to be perfect, but I mean, really no matter what I do, it's going to be better than it is right now. Paint's bubbling. It's just in rough shape. Alright, I'll get back to you after I walnut blast it, and we'll start from there.